She asked, "How do I look?" I said, "Words aren't enough to describe your beauty. Nature isn't enough to compare what I see in you. Love isn't enough to show what I feel about you. And eternity isn't enough time to spend with you."
Yes, these poetry videos are going extremely viral on social media. The best part is, it only takes minutes to create these types of videos with just one AI tool. That's why, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these types of viral poetry videos. From finding the quotes ideas, creating beautiful oil painting illustrations, to captivating voiceovers, so sit tight everyone and let the tutorial begin. First, go to Fliki. This AI tool can both generate AI images and voiceovers for you. You can find the link to sign up in the description below. This is Fliki's dashboard once you log in. Then create a new file. Give it a name, also make sure your settings are correct for short-formed videos. Alright, we're in. Before doing anything, we need to find some romantic quotes or riz lines. To do this, I suggest you go to Pinterest and simply search for poetic riz lines. Here you can find a bunch of romantic quotes from love-to-life perspectives. Take your time to find the one you like and go back to Fliki. Now simply paste the quote you find to the text box. Fliki will then automatically generate all the scenes and images for your video. Pretty cool, right? However, we can generate our own AI images here. Simply click on the image on the first scene. Choose Generate. Now you can input the prompt in this box to create your AI illustrations. Because we want oil paintings as our visuals, you can use this prompt template I've already prepared for you. Neutral abstract oil painting picturing plus scene description. In my case, the first scene should be a girl asking a question. Then, change the image style to digital art. This gives me the best results from my experience. Then, hit generate and give it a few seconds. That is outstanding. You can either use this image or regenerate it until you're happy with the results. Awesome! I'll go ahead and generate the images for the other scenes. Enjoy this process. You can adjust the prompts and change the image style to see different and interesting outcomes. Once you're done generating the images, we will now change our AI voiceover. To do that, click on the voiceover right here. You will then have many options to choose. However, for this tutorial purpose, we will choose this voice, Gavin, and apply this voice to all the voiceovers, then hit select. Perfect. Now that we have the voiceovers ready, let's make some adjustments to our captions. But first, choose settings, change this number to 0, and make sure you turn off these effect options. Alright, now click on the text, and you can adjust it with these preferences. Choose the font of something you like. I'll leave the text size as medium and change display to full. I'll keep the color as default and change the text animation to slide right. Then apply to similar layers. Nice. Let's see how it looks so far.
She asked, "How do I look?" I said, "Words aren't enough to describe your beauty. Nature isn't enough to compare what I see in you. Love isn't enough to show what I feel about you. And eternity isn't enough time to spend with you."
You're doing great. Now comes a very important element. It's the background music. Here are the 3 pieces of music that I found in most of the viral videos in this niche. You can add these music into your short-formed video when you upload it to YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Unfortunately, I can't use them in this video due to copyright policy on YouTube, so I'll use a royalty-free music instead. Besides, I want to mention one more thing about the voiceovers. Let's say you're not happy with the tone and mood of the current voice. What you can do is simply add a new scene, copy and paste the quotes you want to make changes to, and find the arts you generated in my library. Let's have a look.
She asked, "How do I look?" She asked, "How do I look?"
And there you have it, a scene variation. Now that you have all the elements needed, take your time to refine everything from the illustrations, text visuals, to voiceovers. This unique feature of Fliki can help you save a lot of times creating your short-formed videos. In addition, YouTube and Instagram algorithms are changing every day, so it's a great time to start your faceless channel. I'll make a video about this topic next time. Alright, let's have a look at our final result.
She asked, "How do I look?" I said, "Words aren't enough to describe your beauty. Nature isn't enough to compare what I see in you. Love isn't enough to show what I feel about you. And eternity isn't enough time to spend with you."
That's lovely. Once you're done, download it. Now you can upload your video to YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels and start growing your poetry channel. Remember, don't expect too much on your first couple of videos because you're probably not going to get views. But if you stay consistent and improve every time you post, success will follow eventually. And until then, cheerio.